All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. In exactly the same way we want to speak spontaneously, then we need several methods and some essential words which will help me to move forward to speak English. Today my presentation is about how exactly. It means that we can use as a reply to confirm or agree with what has just been said. Structure. How exactly plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus verb with present form plus object. Example: how exactly did she finish the work? It means that she finished the work, but how correctly she finished the work? This is the question. How exactly can he solve it? এটার অর্থ সে কতটা নিখুঁতভাবে এটি সমাধান করতে পারে। এখানে তার দক্ষতা সম্পর্কে যাচাই করা হচ্ছে।